What's up, YouTube? It's Joel with True Life Investing. We're going to be going over some trading crypto for Robinhood for beginners and why you should be adding crypto to your portfolio and what's going on with Bitcoin and Dogecoin. So I'm actually going to show you through my phone how to trade for crypto and the problem that I ran into, what I feel like most people run into when they are ready to start trading cryptocurrency. So if you want to skip straight to that part, doing a real life example of first time trading crypto on Robinhood, then go down to this timestamp right here and it'll take you right to it. But I kind of want to go a little bit deeper into crypto first and why you should be considering adding it to your portfolio. So we're going to rewind the clock and go back to July of 2010 when Bitcoin was selling at an all-time high of 8 cents per Bitcoin. If you would have bought $8 worth of Bitcoin, which would have equated to 100 Bitcoins, and held it to today, you would have over $59 million. So we are going to go over what this is doing to the market, how it's taking it by storm and drawing so much attention from so many people, including people like Elon Musk and hedge funds and so much more in this video. So Tesla announced that they have purchased $1.5 billion in Bitcoin and that they are going to start even accepting Bitcoin as a form of payment in exchange for certain products, maybe a Tesla, maybe a solar panel. This literally makes Tesla the first major automaker to accept cryptocurrency for its products. This is huge because it's the first big step into making Bitcoin more accepted as a real currency. This stock has been going up and down and up and down, and whenever Tesla said that they were putting $1.5 billion into this cryptocurrency, this price surged for Bitcoin up 20%, breaking all-time high records. And now more people are starting to consider this in their companies and for the future in their portfolios. Even PayPal launched a new service enabling users to buy, hold, and sell cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin. Now you have a lot of people trying to jump on the Bitcoin train because it only takes one influential person like Elon Musk to take the first step, and then people start piling in like crazy. So the big question is, should I start investing in Bitcoin, or is this just a fad? Let me know in the comments if you've already started trading crypto and if you do trust this more than stocks, or you think that it's going to just pass on by like a lot of other stuff. So let's get some facts in here before you make that big decision of maybe trading all your stocks for crypto or even including it in your portfolio. But before we do, don't forget to smash that like button and help get this video out to more people that are considering trading cryptocurrency for the first time on either Robinhood or Webull or these other platforms, and so we can help grow the channel and make those YouTube algorithms super happy. So Monday, February 8th is when it all started. Tesla wants to diversify its portfolio, be a little bit more flexible in terms of maximizing their return on the cash. So with Tesla having 8% of their cash in Bitcoin and Elon Musk doing his famous tweets, there's a lot of heads turning and there's a lot of people that are starting to consider this as a viable source of currency. But this isn't the first time that Musk has stepped in and kind of did some tweets and got the SEC involved because they feel like, man, is he manipulating the market? Because every time he says something, you know those markets get a spike, and so now he's drawing the attention from a lot of people. Is this a good thing? Is this bad? So now that Bitcoin is a part of Tesla's portfolio, if Bitcoin goes down, this can count as a loss. And these are some smart people. They got a lot of smart people on payroll because they're being very strategic in what's in their portfolio and what they can do to make more money in the future and to cut their losses as much as possible. So with Bitcoin being on their portfolio, if Bitcoin goes down, they count it as a loss on their balance sheet and it's a tax write-off. But if the price goes up, then you got a company making a lot more money, tons of money, and they don't have to pay any taxes on it till they sell that Bitcoin share. And more companies are basically putting this into practice, putting this in their portfolios. And this is something that we need to look at Bitcoin as the everyday average Joe traders and maybe consider putting it in our portfolio, because there's so many people that are putting, especially big hedge funds, big companies, into their portfolios because they know that it's going to be something that's here, it's here to stay, it's going to be here in the future. And if a lot of people are putting billions of dollars into Bitcoin, maybe there's something to this that it could go up as they think that it's going to. This type of influence is very powerful, but you got to think, is this good? Is this bad? Well, have you ever heard of a person by the name of Cathie Wood? Cathie Wood is with ARK Invest. This is what she has to say in terms of Bitcoin, in terms of Tesla, and where she thinks this market is going in terms of cryptocurrency. She says, and I quote, "We believe that the institutional behavior and moves recently have been fascinating." She told Yahoo Finance Presence, "We have been expecting institutions to start moving into Bitcoin and other crypto assets, but primarily Bitcoin. That's because it's the most secure of all the other cryptocurrencies out in the market." Because if you look at the correlation of Bitcoin's performance relative to any other asset class, it has the lowest correlation, meaning if you buy some Bitcoin, you will further diversify your portfolio and increase your returns with a lower risk. So there are so many people, investors, hedge funds, that are for Bitcoin, bringing more awareness to this cryptocurrency and saying that, man, this thing is going to take off like a rocket and a lot of people are going to make a lot of money. You even have, for instance, Asset Manager, who values Bitcoin already at 500,000 and expects Bitcoin to be worth more than gold and sees a massive institutional interest in Bitcoin. With this, more corporate buy-ins are taking place, which they say that Bitcoin price could go over 500,000 per Bitcoin. But what about other cryptos like Dogecoin? Or, right now it's only trading at 7 cents per Dogecoin. And you think, well, it's super low, really not gonna make me a lot of money, probably a waste. Not so fast. Remember another cryptocurrency that started off around the same amount and now it went from 8 cents to 47,000? Well, will Dogecoin ever get close to Bitcoin? Who knows? But it's drawing the attention of a lot of people right now, and it's huge. A lot of celebrities with a lot of influence, and this thing is going crazy on Robinhood and Webull. You even got Elon Musk starting to tweet about this crypto, as it's starting to go up, and saying he's even buying it for his son, Lil X, so he can be a toddler hodler. I don't even know what that means, but since he's done this, Dogecoin has up 640%. And is this the new Bitcoin? Who knows? But there's a lot of people that are making a lot of money on this cryptocurrency right now. But just like any stocks, crypto, just like stocks, can go up and it can go down. And looking into the future, you should consider investing into Bitcoin or something like Dogecoin, because it's where the market's going and it helps diversify your portfolio. Now, I'm not saying go and sell all your stocks and ETFs and options and invest everything into crypto, but at least maybe take a small portion of it so that you can benefit if it goes up, but if it goes down, you're not hurting or going bankrupt. It's just called diversification. And the great thing about Robinhood and Webull is that they let you invest dollars into these cryptos without having to actually purchase what we would call a full share. Because honestly, who's got $40,000 to drop on a single Bitcoin right now during this pandemic? So if you're like me and you're hearing about all this crypto happening and you think, I'm gonna start off small, I'll jump on this Dogecoin, and you're trying to get in on it, but then all of a sudden you go to Robinhood and you can't buy crypto because your money is all tied up in stocks. So then what do? You do an instant deposit, and then you go to buy that crypto because, hey, guess what? Crypto trades 24/7, right? But it is traded differently. If you want to buy crypto right on the spot, you have to have settled funds in your account. Most of us, when we deposit funds in our account, we see that instant deposit. So what Robinhood is doing is going ahead and letting you trade with funds that will eventually be in your account which is usually takes between 4 to 5 business days depending upon your bank. This is true when it comes to normal stocks, options, or ETFs. But when it comes to crypto, you have to wait till those funds have settled and the bank has fully transferred that money into your Robinhood account. Then you are able to make your order of the crypto you want. Also, Robinhood adjusts market orders to limit orders to help against dramatic price moves when you go to trade for crypto outside of having funds settled in your account. Market orders are adjusted to limit orders collared up to 1% for buys and 5% for sales. And if you're like me, I was thinking, what the heck does the collars have to do with this? Just joking. So collar basically puts a limit on how much people can gain and how much people can lose. So for Robinhood, the collars are based off of the last trade price. This means that your order won't execute if the price of the cryptocurrency moves more than 5% lower than its price at the time you placed a market sell order, or more than 1% higher than its price when you placed a market buy order until it comes back within the collar. But one great thing about cryptocurrencies is that there is no day trading limits, like regular stocks and options, where you have to have at least $25,000 in your account to be able to day trade as much as you want. With cryptocurrency, you don't even have to worry about that. So now you're thinking, well, I want to sell some stocks, options, or ETFs and buy some crypto. Well, you can, as long as you have owned those stocks, options, or ETFs for a period of time in which the funds that you deposited into your Robinhood account have settled. Then you can purchase as much crypto as you want. Because remember, this is something I had to learn, that your cryptocurrency is held in a Robinhood crypto account, not your Robinhood financial account. So this is stuff that they don't tell you right off the bat, but the Robinhood crypto account is treated as a non-marginal account with a maintenance requirement of 100%. This means your cryptocurrencies need to be backed entirely by cash and can't serve as collateral for equities positions. So basically, your funds have to be settled in your account in order for you to be able to purchase crypto. If you do an instant deposit, you're not going to be able to right off the bat purchase cryptocurrency. Which goes back to my initial info at the beginning of waiting for your funds to settle into your Robinhood account, and then you can purchase all the crypto you want. So to wrap it all up, getting into crypto is different than just buying regular stocks, options, or ETFs, but it is something that is on the rise. And you can bet that this is definitely going to be a part of everyone's future at some point or time. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. So if you have to decide if you're ready to take the dive, or if you're going to wait a little bit and see how things pan out, then I say the best of luck to you. But you know, there is that FOMO, fear of missing out, but there also is the chance to lose money. But I mean, with Dogecoin, it's only 0.07 cents a Dogecoin. Go ahead, throw 10 bucks in there. And then, hey, if it goes up as much as a Bitcoin has, you've made a ton of money. And one thing though, if you are new to trading and you want to get in on trading crypto, stocks, options, or ETFs, use my Webull account and you can get 4 free stocks valued up to 3,700 bucks. Or if you use my Robinhood account, you can get 2 free stocks, maybe between 150 to 400 bucks whenever you make those deposits of at least $100 into your account. This will get you going on trading, building your wealth, and even give you the option to sell those free stocks that you get and buy some crypto if you want, so you're not even losing. Remember, you can find my links down in the description, and I know it's crazy to say, but by using my links, you actually get more free stocks than if you were to go straight to the Robinhood or Webull website. They help you out and hook you up whenever you use other people's referral links like what I have down in the description. So thanks for watching. Let me know if you decide to jump in and start trading crypto. This is Joel with True Life Investing. Until next time, peace out.